So my name is Matt Faggione. I'm the Director of Business Operations at ETEX Communications. We're a traditional telephone cooperative established in 1952 in Northeast Texas. I've been with the company for 20 years, and it's been a fun journey. Everything we do is really dedicated to our communities. We give back, we donate a lot. Our staff is from the communities that we serve, so we're very involved in the communities that we're in. If it weren't for us, I think a lot of these communities would have no real good broadband service or no real good telecommunication infrastructure as a whole. We've built into more and more communities through the years, and so therefore we've been able to impact and reach more people. Over the last 8 years, we've really expanded from the solely technical support to now technical support and cybersecurity. I think they're both very, very, very important. They're mission critical to our operation. So it would be hard to do without either. Rural providers are limited with the resources we have in-house. And so we have to lean on our partners to be able to kind of strengthen and build those, to bring in talents and systems that we just don't have access to without a partner like NRTC. I think it's just, everybody is easy to work with. I think just availability, just being able to get a hold of you guys and get the questions answered that we need. I would say that you guys definitely are diversified. You're in a lot of different spaces, whether it's a marketing angle, whether it's a cybersecurity angle, whether it's a technical support. There's a lot of different spaces that you guys are in. And so I would instruct them to reach out to one of the friendly sales folks at NRTC and see if they can help. Oh gosh, that's the hardest question that you've asked so far. I'd be retired.
Fair enough.